Hey, hello, good morning, everyone. This is Jey Ganesan from SphereSkills Technology, empowering tomorrow's learning. Today, I have brought you one of the interesting topic, that is advanced functions and dynamic array. Though we have seen multiple advanced functions like sorting and then pivot tables and power tools and power queries. So today we are here to see about advanced dynamic arrays and sorting and functions. So let us see what is the topic which we are going to see today. Advanced functions and dynamic arrays, which includes array functions of sorting, filter, unique, sequence, and rand array. So we have seen what is rand functions and sort functions, filters. So we are going to see what is unique and also sequence functions. And advanced functions like let, lambda, that is a custom functions, and make array, and choose, close, drop, take, and pivot tables, which will be include your data model, relations between pivot table, and measures and KPIs. So this is what we are going to see. So slowly we are getting up to the advanced. So each and every topic will be helping you to build a dynamic dashboard and a dynamic reporting systems, which we can able to further enhance it to our next level of the reporting structure. Okay. So stay tuned and do follow me on SphereSkills Technologies for the important chapters which we are going to cover in our upcoming sessions, and click on the bell icon so that you get all the videos which I post as a notification to you, and do share these videos with your friends and colleagues who are being interested. So without any further delay, let us get started, guys.
SphereSkill Technologies, empowering tomorrow's learning.
So welcome back, friends. So we have taken a raw data which we will convert to table by using Control T shortcut. So we got the data table here. So we will name this table. Okay. So how to name this table? We have seen multiple times. We have to go to design. Okay. So from design we have a table name here. So from the table we can able to choose and name it. So I have named it as a employee table. So this has come as a employee table. So the employee table is ready. You can select this and then double click on the cell padding, which you will get the cell spacing adjusted, which will fit for each and every cells. So table is ready. So let us get started. So let us see now how we can able to sort the table. Okay. So rename. So I will use it as a sort string. So we have a formula to sort this. So based on the data what you have copied, okay, that is based on the, so see here, so based on the data what is from the table which is available, we got the output of sorting. Okay, so how do we achieve this? Okay, here the date format is not right, so we can able to take the date format and then apply it. So for this we have a format painter, so you can take that one and then apply it to all the cells so that you get all the format painter, but still we are not getting. So that is because of what? Okay, that is because of sorting. Okay, see how we have achieved it. We have achieved it by sorting employee table, comma 9 minus 1. So what is 9 here? So we have, so salary. So salary highest to lowest we have to sort it. So that is how the sorting has come across. See the highest value is here. So 9 minus 1 will give you the ninth column with the highest value. So we have received the salary sorting by highest to lowest. So with the formula sort. Okay, so remember guys, this will not be working with the old office. So you need the latest office or the office 365 for you to work with this type of sorting and other things which we are going to discuss now. Okay. Okay, so we have seen sorting, how to do sorting. Now the same way we will do filtering. Okay, so here I will rename this to filter. So I want the filter department wise, only the IT department to come. So how to achieve this? See here, we have received only the IT department. So how did I achieve? So filter employee table. In the employee table, department wise, what I should require only IT. Wherein department you are having IT, finance, HR, and operations. Okay, so we are going to choose only the finance. So shall I zoom this for you guys? So just give me a minute. You're able to see the formula. So here filter employee table, that is our table name, and in this department with respect to IT. So that is how we have filtered it. So that will help us to get what is the result we require. So this where it will be useful when we want to dynamically extract the content and then further take it forward for the report. Okay. So in pivot table, what happens? You are providing the criteria, and then based on that, what is the value, sum of the value, average. So that is how you are getting. So what is the advantage of using a filter and sorting? It's like you are directly providing the formula to get the data content filtered or sorted and directly bring it to your destination where you would like to keep it. Okay, so based on this you can further enhance it with the report or chart, whatever you would like to have. Okay, so we have filtered it, and we have filtered to having a IT based department. Now let us filter by having a location filtered to only Bangalore. Okay, so just give me a minute. Let us do that. See now, we have filtered only respect to Bangalore. So how we have achieved? We have first taken the filter of department, that is IT. In that department, we have taken the location as a Bangalore. So I will show you the formula. What is been in use? See here, filter employee table location equal to Bangalore. Okay, so that is how this has been got. Okay, so here we have got only the Bangalore location. So where we have a location specific to Bangalore. We have seen sorting and filtering. We will see now unique. So what is unique? We will see now department wise. Let me take what is the unique field. So what is that? It will provide you the distinct field of department. So how did we achieve it? I will show you the formula once again. So you can see here unique employee table department. So what we will get it? We will get it. What is the distinct value of the department, and if anything is been added, so that will also be brought here. So uniqueness of the listed values belongs to that particular field. So that is how this particular data is being populated. So that is one of the features of unique. Okay, so we have seen the unique. Now we will see the sequence. So what is sequence? I will show you. Okay, so now what we have generated, sequence row employee table. So sequentially, what is the a row in the employee table will be generated. Okay, so come to data set. So in the data set, if you see, we will be having 15 records here. So that serial number to generate the sequence. So we have used the sequence formula. So how? Sequence row. If you put a column, you will get the column in this fashion. So how many columns are there? That many it will be generating. Okay, now let us simulate the bonus percentage. Okay, how can we achieve this? So this is what this is forecast. Why? Because this is it's not yet came, and we are going to predict, or we are going to identify what will be the bonus percentage which can be provided. So let us see how we can able to achieve it. So what I have used a rand array with rows employee table 1 comma 5 comma 15 equal to true. First I will show you the formula. Rand array row employee table 1 comma 5 comma 15 equal to true. So okay, so the rand array is nothing but the random array which is being auto populated, or and then it is randomly generated. Okay, so here you can able to put across what is the number of rows is returned, and what is the columns which is being required to be written in the array, and what is the minimum and maximum number you would like to keep, and what is the integer, return an integer or a decimal value. If it is true, it will return an integer. If it is false, it will return a decimal number. So that is how this works on. So so that will be a random one. It is not based on any kind of a formula or mechanism. Okay. Okay. So let us see what is the let function. Okay. So let of monthly employee table salary we are taking into 12. So what will happen? We will get what is the value which has been an expenditure. So we will get it. So let us see what is the let function will do. So what we are going to get is let monthly employee table salary. We are going to take each and every employee monthly into 12. So what we will get? We will get the salary package of yearly salary. Okay. So yearly, if you want to find the salary, so we can use the let package here. See here. So we will get, so this will be of into 12 of this salary. Okay. So that is how, so you will get what is the total expenditure by the salary for each and every employee for a year together. So let us see how to build the dynamic data. So how I have built it, I have used lambda. Okay. So what is the lambda function? I will show you guys. So lambda will be making array. Okay. Let us see how do we have to use choose scale. So I have used choose call by selecting employee 239. So how do you get employee name, department and salary, right? So we have chosen 2 is your name and 3 is your department and 9 is your salary. So by choosing what is the data you require, so that's how you can able to bring the choose call here. Okay, I will zoom this for you guys 1 minute. Okay, so hope this is visible. Choose call employee table 239. So 239 is what? I will show you 239 once again here. So 2 is your name, 3 is your department and 9 is your salary. So this is what been bought in the your choose call. Okay. Now let us see how to drop a particular field. Okay. So what we have done, employee table 2, that is your second row, we have dropped it and then we have created this particular record. Okay. So let us see how it has come across here. See here, Anita, that is E102. Okay. So in your filter, E102 is been removed. So that is the second one which is been removed. Okay. I will show you, I will zoom it and then I will zoom. Okay, so E103 and then 102 is 103, 104 it has come. Okay, and where is this particular field? Anita 102. Up to 102 it is been dropped. Rahul and Anita. Okay, I will zoom this as well. Okay, so hope this is visible for you. So what is been missing? Rahul, Anita 102 it's been removed from the particular drop function. So how do we achieve it? We have put 2 here, so which will be removing the first 2 records of it. So what it has been told, column, the number of column to drop it. Okay, so that is how this particular drop functions will work. Okay, now let us see who is the top 5 highest paid employees. So we have got who is the highest paid employees by choosing the formula employee table 9, that is your salary row, -1, which will be sorting it from the highest to lowest, and top 5 comma 5 will be bringing you who is the top 5 content. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching. So hope this was an informative session for you. So what we have seen today, we have seen the dynamic array function, which includes sort, filter, unique, sequence, rand array, let, lambda, and make array, and choose calls, right? In choose calls, we have seen what is drop and take also. So we have covered a major of the dynamic function with an advanced functions features. Okay, so tomorrow we will be continuing with our power pivot and we will be making a KPI measures and build a dashboard with respect to all these functions and the advanced features which we have seen so far today. So if you find this video session to be useful, please give me a like, subscribe and do share this video with your friends and the colleagues for whom you found it to be useful. Okay, so do follow on our channel Facebook, SphereSkill, on our YouTube channel, GB Systems, and I will see you soon in the next video, which will be covering a beautiful dashboard by with the advanced features so far what we have seen today. Until then, this is Jey Ganesan signing off for today. I wish you all a good day ahead. Thank you, everyone.